Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm so excited because we are doing something different. We are reviewing the Morphe Cherry Coke palette today. Wait, hold up. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the palette. It's controversial, which is weird. I don't really know very much about it, but apparently some people are saying it looks a lot like a Too Faced palette, which I would absolutely agree. As someone who uses Too Faced palettes pretty regularly and has a few of them, it looks like a Too Faced palette, but I also have Morphe palettes that I absolutely love. So we're gonna kind of see how they stack up with each other. My palette actually just came today. So I ordered this Thursday when it was released and it's Sunday today. So it was super fast shipping, which I didn't think was gonna happen. I thought I was gonna get it like sometime next week, but it's here early, so that's good. I did order this off of the Coke website directly. I was gonna get it on Sephora, but it ended up being cheaper to just get it on Coke. So if you're gonna get it, I suggest that you go get it off the Coke website because it was super fast shipping and it was cheaper. Here is the palette itself. Let's start with talking about packaging. I absolutely love this packaging. It's so cute. It literally looks like it could be printed on a bottle or a can or something. It really looks like a Too Faced product for sure. It says it's 18 shades. How many shades are in a Too Faced palette? There's 18 in here too. Okay, here it is without any packaging on it, and right away I can feel that this one is a lot lighter than this one. I don't know if that has to do with the quality of the packaging or whatever, but it does feel a lot lighter. Okay, so when you first open it up, you have your shades, of course, and they have the little names on this plastic sheet, but when you take the sheet off, there's no names for the colors, which I personally don't like. I like how Too Faced palettes, there are, sorry, this is so crusty. The Too Faced palettes have names, like you can read the names on here, and then on here there's no names for any of these shades. So if I'm trying to tell someone what I use to get a certain look, I'm gonna have absolutely no idea unless I hold on to this. Where'd it go? See, I already lost it. I'm not gonna hold on to that piece of paper that shows me what the names are. But yes, those are just first impressions. So here are the shades. There are 18 of them and they are stunning. I absolutely love every single shade in this palette. I could see myself wearing every single shade in this palette, which is not usually the case when I buy full-on palettes like this because there'll be some crazy colors I'm not ever gonna use. But these are pretty neutral and warm, and you can make a lot of different looks. I give it a 10 out of 10 on the shades. I really like these. You've got your shimmers right here. You've got some mattes as well. You have a nice white, really cute nude pinks. You've got browns and then some burgundies and darker colors. This is gonna be such a cute fall palette for sure. Even a Christmas palette. I could see myself using this for like a cute holiday look. Okay, now that I've talked about it enough, let's take this eyeshadow off right now and then let's play around a little bit. Okay, we moved into the bathroom. We're gonna do a few colors in the eyes. I took off my eyeshadow. I still have my lashes on, but I can work around that. Let's do like a neutral brown look. This freaking thing, it's invisible. So I'm gonna start with this kind of nude brown shade. It is called Lighthearted. So we're gonna put that in the crease. First impressions, it's blending very easily. Then we're gonna use Dessert first, that brown one on the top, to kind of deepen the crease.
Sounds dry.
I actually really like these browns. They're easy to blend. This would be a good palette for beginners, I feel like. Let's just get a little darker here. We're gonna go with the Sunday Fun Day color right here.
Soundstripe.
And I'm kind of just blending in a V so that all the colors kind of transition together. I really like that. I like these browns. I'm gonna take some of Lighthearted again to just kind of blur out the top. I love this. Wait, I actually really like this palette, I think. We'll see. Let's try to pop a shimmer shade on the lid. I'm gonna be using the shade Give Me More. Right here, it's kind of like a champagne-y, glittery, fun color. Okay, the shimmers are cute too. What? Okay, the eye, I'm just gonna keep it as that, but since this is the Cherry Coke palette, we have to do some reds, of course. I'm gonna start off by using Yum Yum, this pink color, to put in the crease. It's kind of a transition shade. This is a cute pink. It's a lot pinker on your eye, I feel like, than it is in the tin, but I like it. Next, I'm gonna use Fruity Fierce, this red color right here. It's pretty much the only red in this palette that doesn't have shimmer, so we're gonna pop that in the crease on top of that pink color. They're pigmented. The colors are pigmented. I'll tell you that.
Soundstripe.
Right, it is pigmented. Hello. Looks more pink, but I feel like a lot of red eyeshadows do that. They transfer as pink onto the skin. We're gonna try and deepen that red a little bit. I'm still taking the same color, Fruity Fierce, and focusing it right on the crease.
Soundstripe.
Ooh, it's making my green eyes pop. Hey.
Soundstripe.
Okay, we're gonna darken that up even further by using, let's use All In. It's kind of this like maroonish brown color.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
She's kind of cute. I kind of like this palette a lot. There is that red blended eye. Let's do, with a twist, this red
Soundstripe.
shimmer shade to finish things off. My lashes are flying off. She's cute. She really is. I kind of like this a lot. It's not bad. I want to use this Wild Bunch right here. It's kind of like a darker red, kind of orangish. Looks like the Coke color, so I have to use it.
Soundstripe.
For gigs, let's just put some Pretty Please on the inner corner and see if that does anything. Oh, that's dark. Never mind. We're gonna go with Sweet Crave right here.
Soundstripe.
As you can see, there's a little bit of fallout under my eyes, but no big deal. Eyeshadow palette doesn't fall out. Sweep it away. Wait, I actually really do like this. I didn't know if I was gonna like it as much as one of my Too Faced palettes, but this measures up. I really like it. I would recommend it. It's a cute item to have. Like, this is a good palette. I would get it. It's pretty cheap. I think I got mine for like 25 bucks with shipping as well, so that's pretty good. But yeah, if you like reds and neutrals and browns and shimmer shades, this is the palette for you. Those are my thoughts about the Cherry Coke Morphe palette. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and thumbs up this video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram as well at I am Hadley Grace, and I'll see you next time. Bye.